Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha skin. First, establish a consistent cleansing routine. Wash your face gently twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, using a mild cleanser. This helps remove impurities and excess oil without irritating your skin. Remember to use lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a clean towel to prepare it for the next steps in your journey to radiant skin. After cleansing, it's time for targeted treatments. Apply a serum that addresses your specific skin concerns, such as a vitamin C serum for brightness or hyaluronic acid for hydration. Exfoliation is also key. Aim for 1 to 3 times a week to slough off dead skin cells. This step promotes cell turnover, revealing fresher, smoother skin underneath and enhancing product absorption. Hydration and protection are crucial for maintaining alpha skin. Following your serum, apply a good quality moisturizer to seal in all the beneficial ingredients and keep your skin supple. Most importantly, protect your skin from sun damage by applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 every single morning, even on cloudy days. Reapply it every 2 hours if you are outdoors. Achieving alpha skin isn't just about products, it's also about your lifestyle. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your skin hydrated from within. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this is when your skin repairs itself. Additionally, managing stress through practices like meditation or exercise can significantly improve your skin's overall appearance and health.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.